First, we start with a deadly crash at Finger Lakes State Park. A 13-year-old was pronounced dead on arrival after a crash on the motocross track in the park. ABC 17's Abigail Landwehr joins us in studio after going to the scene of that crash. Abigail, the boy was life-flighted to the University Hospital after first responders got to the scene.
Hannah, the accident happened just after 1 o'clock today, and that's according to the Missouri State Highway Patrol crash report. The crash happened at the motocross track in Finger Lakes State Park. According to the report, the boy lost control of his dirt bike while riding over a raised area of the track. The crash report says the bike went airborne. The boy was thrown from the bike when it hit the ground. We're at the motocross track now. This is the area where the incident happened. First responders said they took over care from a bystander on scene. Bystanders issued CPR until emergency service got to the scene. That included first responders from Boone Hospital and Boone Fire Protection District. According to Boone Fire, those first responders then took over the care. The boy was taken to University Hospital, where he was pronounced dead on arrival at 2:23 this afternoon. Missouri State Highway Patrol Troop F also helped respond to the scene. Corporal Kyle Green with the Missouri State Highway Patrol said those types of crashes aren't seen as often as other types of off-roading.
I mean, they do occur, but obviously not as many as the ATV, UTVs, and all that stuff. And that's just because those things are so much more popular than just the dirt bikes.
Missouri State Highway Patrol did investigate the crash scene too.
Thank you, Abigail. We'll continue to bring any updates in this on air and online.